Unique animals. English and Hebrew with vowel presence. Unique animals of Australia. Emu is a large Australian bird with a long neck and grey or brown feathers. Emus cannot fly but have long legs and can run quickly. Fur is the thick hair that covers the bodies of some animals, or the hair-covered skins of animals removed from their bodies. Pouch is a pocket on the lower part of the body of some female animals in which their young are carried and protected after they are born. Spoon is an object consisting of a round, hollow part and a handle, used for mixing, serving, and eating food. Eucalyptus is any of several types of tree found especially in Australia that produce an oil with a strong smell. Eucalyptus oil is used in medicine and industry. Fluffy is soft and like wool or fur, or light and full of air. Bill is the beak of a bird. Beaver is an animal with smooth fur, sharp teeth, and a large, flat tail. Beavers build dams, walls of sticks and earth across rivers. Otter is a mammal with 4 legs and short brown fur that swims well and eats fish. Platypus is an Australian river mammal with a wide beak whose young are born from eggs.
Unique animals. Australia is home to a lot of animals that you can't find anywhere else in the world. Here are just some of the unique animals that live in Australia's outback. Emus can't fly, but they can run very fast, up to 48 kilometers per hour. These huge birds lay 5 to 15 eggs that are green, so they are not easy to see on the ground. The male emu looks after them. Go anywhere in Australia and you are sure to find kangaroos in grasslands. They've got thick fur and hop around using their big feet and strong tails. They keep their babies in a pouch on their stomach. In the trees of Australia, there are cute koalas. They've got fluffy ears and fur and a nose that looks like a spoon. They only eat eucalyptus leaves. In the rivers of Australia, there is a very strange creature. It's got a duck's bill on its face, the tail of a beaver, and the feet of an otter. It's a platypus, and it's one of the few mammals that lays eggs.
Thanks for watching.